You just got your new Microsoft Office package, but you realize the language of the menu is not the one you want. Hello and welcome to How&Why tutorials, and today we're going to see how to change the menu language in Microsoft Office. You see, I opened the Excel, but this applies to all the platforms for PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Access, Publisher, all those things. This is a pretty easy thing to do, but most people don't know about it. So I think it's only fair to change that. So what you basically do is to go to File, Options, down in the bottom, select Language on the left menu, and go to the Office Display Language. As you can see, I have English and Greek, which is my native language. But if I want to add another language, let's say French, all I have to do is press on the right the Add a Language button, type the FRE for French, press Install, and let Microsoft Office do the rest on its own. This procedure takes several minutes to complete, so do not stress about it when it comes to 5 or 10 minutes. For my PC it took, I think, 4 minutes. And you have to close all the Microsoft Office applications for the changes to apply. Okay, we're done now, but what I want to show you is that even if you make the changes in Excel or PowerPoint, this will apply to all the Microsoft Office applications. So let's check with Word. I made my changes in Excel, open Word, File, Options, select Language, and there you have it, French. Now if I select French, the menu will be in this language. You can also move up or down, given the priority or the selection of the language you want, or add a new language. This will come handy when you are working with partners from different countries and you want to help them find a solution to the problem. But as you may have already seen, translating from one language to the other in the menu may become a little complicated. Especially if you have the menu language in Hindi or Portuguese and you don't have English and you want to find something on the internet. Most of the tutorials are in English. So I suggest that you add another language or multiple languages to be sure that you won't find any problems in the future. So this is it. If you have any suggestions, as always, comment down in the section and I will make the relative tutorial video as soon as possible. I upload every week more than one video, so be sure to subscribe to How&Why and see more. Goodbye for now.